Hi, it's Jeannie here from Website HQ, and I wanted to share a tip with you that we're using for good results with Chat GPT and Canva. So the tip is using bulk create in Canva to create a bunch of social media posts. So what we've done today is gone into Chat GPT and asked it to write 25 quirky motivational quotes for us. So you can see we got a pretty good list right here, but they all have quotes, and I don't need quotes in my CSV file that we're going to copy this info into. So I've just prompted it again and asked it to rewrite them without the quotes to use in a CSV file. Now, once I have all of those written, all I need to do is copy those right out of Chat GPT. I'm going to come into a Google Sheet and just paste those in so that I have them this way. And then I'm just going to, under File, go to Download and export those as a .csv file. So once I have that, I'm going to pop into my Canva document. Now in Canva, you can see I've already got a graphic created, so kind of like the design for this, we're doing something a little different and a little fun here. So we've got this created. I've got the text area where I want all of those quotes to go in the middle here, and then I've got this little border around it. So all of these design elements are going to carry through that bulk design, but let's take a look at how we do that. So when we come over to bulk create, and if you don't have bulk create in your side panel, you just need to go into apps and just search bulk. Once you find it, you can click on it and it will get added to your sidebar. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that bulk create, and then I'm going to click to upload a CSV file. Find my file on my desktop and just click open. Now once I have it in here, it's going to show me that it's got one data field identified. It's showing me that first field that is in here. What I need to do then is come over to my design. I'm going to right click on the text box, and then I'm going to click connect or roll over connect data, and then I'm just going to click on that text. Now once I do that, it's linked those fields together, and if I click continue, it's going to show me all of those data fields that were in the CSV file, and then it's going to say generate, in this case 24 pages. So we've already got the one quote in the document when we opened it, and now it's going to add those other 24 quotes. So when I click generate, it's going to take a second or two, and the next thing I know, I've got a 25-page document with all of those quotes already selected in here. Now, depending on your design, you'll definitely want to go through and just make sure everything looks okay. The first time I did it with this particular design, the box was too small and some of my text went outside of the box. So I adjusted that before I made this demo. But yeah, and once all of the documents, or once all of the pages are created, you could come in and you could change up the backgrounds for these. But in this case, I'm going to keep them all the same, and we're probably going to post those like a week apart or a couple of days apart. So in this instance, 25 is great, and I may make another document with a slightly different design or different gradient background for the next 25 posts that we want to bulk batch and get out. So I hope this is helpful to you. If you have any questions, let me know. And if you did find this helpful, please hit like, let me know, and I'll create more videos of how we are using ChatGPT to speed up processes and do different things in our business.